In this video, I'll show you how to create a milestone on GitHub. First, sign into your GitHub account and open the repository where you want to create a milestone. Next, click the Issues tab near the top of the repository page. Then click Milestones to open the Milestones page. If you don't see it right away, look for it near the top of the Issues section. Now, click the New Milestone button. Enter a title for your milestone, and if you'd like, add a description explaining its purpose. You can also set a due date to help track your project's progress. After that, click Create Milestone to save it. Your new milestone is now ready to use, and you can assign it to issues and pull requests to organize related work and track progress toward a specific goal. Finally, return to the Milestones page at any time to view your milestones, check their progress, edit their details, or close them once all of the associated work has been completed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a milestone on GitHub. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.